guys, it's your girl Marie, and today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial for you guys. I'm going to be doing a slick back curly ponytail, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, we're just going to get straight into it. So first and foremost, I'm just about to re-straighten my hair, not all of it, because I can still do what I need to do with this, but I'm just about to go over the roots and my edges. So I'll be back when I touch that up. Okay, so I just finished doing the touching it up. So now I'm just gonna part my hair in 3 sections. Okay, so once you're done, you should have 3 sections. It looks something like this. Okay, so now we're going to put this back piece in 3 sections. Okay, so once you get your 3 sections, this looks something like this. It don't have to be perfect because that's not what we're going for. And basically, what I'm gonna use now is got to be in beeswax. Apparently my brush is gone, but that's fine. So what you want to do is take your beeswax, take your blow dryer, and melt it just a little bit. So just go like this to get it soft. So once you did that, you're gonna take some, put it on the bottom part of the hair, like right here. Make sure you get all of it in there. Put it on the sides, on the top part. And you're gonna take your brush, instead of brushing it, once you've done that, you're gonna hold it, spray, and blow dry. Now you don't want to blow dry till it's like completely hardened, because you gotta put all this together. So then you're gonna take your second row and repeat the same step. Y'all get the process. I'm gonna speed it up for y'all. Okay, so once you blow dry it, you're gonna brush it into a ponytail holder. Well, I'm using a rubber band because I don't want it to be too tight. You're gonna put the rubber band on it. And you're gonna take some Got2b, spray it all around, then blow dry it again. Okay, y'all, so once the back is done, it should look something like this. And now we are going to move to the front of the hair. So how I do the front is in sections 2, but first you want to take your edges out so it can be like slick. So let me put this over here. What I just like to do is just like comb them out, kind of like make it a straight line. The way I do the front is the same as the back, 3 sections. So we just gonna do one right here. You can honestly do 2, but I like to do 3. So it's gonna be the same exact steps. You're not gonna blow dry all the way, and we're not gonna put a hair tie on to the end. So I'm gonna put that in time lapse for y'all. Okay, once you're finished, just look something like this. Now what I'm gonna do is take my little wrapping paper and just put it So I put this paper on so I could put my scarves on, so my scarves don't stick, because this is up here. If y'all been watching me, y'all know about these scarves. Okay, so I got my scarves on. Now we're gonna take some good old braid in here to braid the hair so my ponytail can be long. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Okay, now that we got our little crappy braid, it don't matter what it look like. We're gonna take some more of this paper and we're gonna wrap it around the ponytail. This spray some got to be on it. So let me fix my camera angle. Okay, so I just gotta like take it like that. And just spray it and blow dry and wrap it around the whole braid to the bottom. So I'm gonna time lapse it. Okay, y'all, so once you're done with that, it should look like this. You don't need to do it to the bottom because the glue won't be, since that's the weave, it won't damage your hair. And I'm gonna take the bundles that I'm using and put the link down below to where I got them. Okay, so what you wanna do is open the bundle up and take your hair glue. You're gonna put it on the braid, blow dry it a little bit, and wrap it around. I hope that's making sense. Okay, y'all, so I finished. And that's what it look like. So we're gonna take a section like this. Okay. Guess I cut that section. Okay. And go comb it out. And I'm straightening this. I can wrap it around. Should look like that. Now what I'm doing, I'm just gonna like fluff the ponytail out because it's too, yeah. Now I'm gonna take this scarf off. Do my edges. So now I'm gonna curl my edges. Okay, so now that I curl my edges, I'm just about to try to see how I want them real quick. I'm gonna take my recipe. How I do my edges, I spray it on the toothbrush and I just swoop it like that. Okay guys, so I did my edges and I put some lashes on and this is the final product. I am in love. I'm gonna put the link to where to find the hair that I use. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.